Emma, I'd just like to welcome you to Brady Flanary.
We were so impressed with your service.
Brady Flanary.
I've heard great things about Brady Flanary. What makes you so much better?
Today's my first day. Let me find someone to answer your question.
Customer first, quality, not quantity. And guys, shoe covers at all times. And this Saturday, we are having our product training.
Well, thank you. I knew our attention to detail would make all the difference.
Brady Flanary Heating and Air. It's not just heating and air conditioning, it's real comfort.